Hello, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of social science, that is pottery. Let's start with the mind mapping of this topic. What comes into your mind when you hear the word pottery? Clay is used, matka to store water, kulhar to drink tea, potter's wheel to make all the pottery items. Aims of the lesson: identify the type of soil needed for pot making, discuss the steps in making pots, use of clay vessels. Let's understand what is pottery. Anything made up of baked clay is called pottery. A person who makes pots is called a potter. Let's understand the need for pottery. In ancient times, when people learned to grow crops and started cooking food, they felt the need for utensils to cook and store food. Earlier, they used coconut shells and big leaves as a means of storing food. Then they learned to make pots with clay to store food and cook food. Today, clay pots are used as flower pots or gamlas, cooking pots or handis, piggy banks or gullaks, etc. are also used. Let's understand how pots are made. A wheel is used in making different types of pottery. The potter's wheel is used in large scale production of pottery. A ball of clay is placed at the center of the wheel head, which is turned by foot power or by an electric motor. The wheel spins rapidly while the clay is pressed, squeezed, and molded gently into different shapes. The pots are dried in sunlight and then baked in fire kilns so that they become solid or pakka. A kiln is a kind of an oven in which dried pots are heated at a very high temperature and taken out only when they are cool. There are three main types of pottery: earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenware. These are pots made with simple clay. Ghada, surahi, kulhad are some of the examples of earthenware. Stoneware. These are pots made by giving different shapes to stones. For example, Oakley, Chakla, etc. Porcelain. It is the purest and most delicate type of pottery. In this, kaolin, which is a fine white clay, is used to make pots. Various crockery items as well as decorative items in our homes like tea set, glass set, etc. are made of porcelain. Let's learn some of the new terms that we have learned in this chapter. Clay. A sticky wet type of soil is called clay. Kiln. A type of oven to harden the pots is called kiln. Ghatam. A musical instrument made up of clay is called ghatam. Coil. A long piece of rope or wire is called coil. Thank you, and I hope the concept is clear to you.